spectacular.
Hello.
Hey.
How are you? Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Oh, thanks for having us
good.
over.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so cute. And you guys have a great location. This is amazing.
We love it, yeah.
All right, so I know on the phone you guys said you've been saving for 5 years for this renovation,
Yeah.
Right.
which is awesome.
Saving hard.
So you guys said you have 130 to spend.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's go inside.
Inside?
All right.
Let's do it.
Come on
All
in.
right. Okay,
So here it
we
is.
Are these floors original?
They are.
They're in great shape. Wow.
Really good.
Floors are all original throughout the
Okay.
entire house. We would love to refinish them.
Yeah. Maybe not so orange. How about that?
Got it. Okay. I love this woodwork. Is this original?
No, that's the project that I did. Tried to add character to the house.
That's really good.
Do you want to keep this board and batten?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, that's easy.
We would love to just open this space up.
Taller ceilings.
So do you know what's above here? Have you been up in the
Just a
attic?
nice big attic.
Okay, so we
Okay.
could open it up.
It would make a huge difference.
Yeah.
All right, so the plan in here is to refinish your floors, knock down these walls that lead into the dining room and the kitchen, open up the ceiling, add a fireplace, and add in new lighting and paint.
Love it.
Yeah.
So your kitchen. Yeah, it's very closed off.
Tell me what you're hoping for in here, because now that we don't have the walls, we really only have the same footprint. What's your goal?
I would say just an updated kitchen
Okay.
and an island.
So what about kitchen color?
I love a white kitchen.
Okay.
Okay.
And because this is all going to be one space, I think we should replace the tile to match the original hardwood floors. It does help to have that consistent flooring throughout. It makes the space feel even bigger.
Right.
This kitchen is small. Can we take some of your dining room space for it?
Yes.
So here's what I'm thinking. By moving your dining room, we'll be able to expand your kitchen. So we have all new flooring, new cabinets, new countertops, all new lighting, and then a nice big island.
Love it.
The door right behind you actually leads to that garage.
Oh, okay, yes.
So we'd love to turn that into living space.
This is cool.
We would love for this to be like our library,
I
school
like
room.
that.
I think that out of all this, we just want to have family time. We'll use this space with our kids, we'll read and snuggle, but we want to leave the decisions up to you so that we don't have to think about it.
That's awesome. Okay, I love that. We'll raise the floors so that it's flush with the rest of the house. We'll put in French doors so you have access to the front porch, and then create some built-in bookshelves. Kids can do schoolwork, just making this a really cozy space, place to come and hang out.
We can't wait to see what you guys do.
What I love about Cassie and Greg is they want classic and traditional. I love this space. This will be really fun. That's my jam, not whatever you always say, like shabby chic or hobo.
Hobo? You mean boho?
Boho. Well, we'll get out of your hair. You guys move out and we'll get in here.
Sounds good to us.
There's all these different styles. Blah, 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 blah. You know what it always goes back to? Classic and traditional. Good?
Yeah, you are very classic, Dave Mars. We are completely changing the layout of this house. We're getting rid of tile. We're getting rid of walls.
There you go. Jenny Mars!
They'll be able to see the kitchen from the living room. I think the more we can open it up for them, the better.
We're taking the old garage that the Lucas were not using and making it into a library. Chase, Laurencio, and I, we've got to bring the ceiling down a little bit, give it that cozy feel. So we're just running some ceiling joists across so we can actually get insulation, get sheetrock up, and get this thing finished.
That front porch, expanding it across all the way and then having the French doors coming out from the den, just opens it up. Greg and Cassie, they both said they love the front porch. They love sitting out there, and now they have the space to actually do it.
We've got the painter starting today.
This beautiful Kentucky blue on the exterior. It looks so gorgeous. It feels just charming now. We've got the butcher block on the island going in today. And in the study, new hardwood floors are going in to match the rest of the house. Built-in bookcases are being installed. I do love that we're converting this garage that is really unusable into something that is for their whole family to use. I love it.
So we've got big things happening at the Luca house. We got to do our landscaping.
We're gonna have some cedar window boxes just to give the house some depth. I really don't know still what's in a mint julep, but it doesn't matter because it has this mint in it and it's gonna be delicious. In the study, Dave and Joe are installing the cool custom mint julep bar. Then we're going to paint the walls and built-ins a moody shade of blue to make the study feel cozy for the Luca family, while the rest of the house is getting painted a bright shade of white. And Chase is installing his horse stable-inspired barn door.
Okay. I could have built it a little lighter. Very close. Very close. No dirty clothes. We are about done. We are just wrapping this thing up.
What do you think? Yay or nay? Nay! I know how much Greg and Cassie love their hometown of Louisville, and we wanted to make sure we brought a little bit of Kentucky to Arkansas.
This turned out so good, babe. Greg and Cassie, they really entrusted a lot to us doing this house.
And now they have more square footage in their home. They have an incredibly beautiful library / study / den where they are gonna spend a lot of time as a family. The mint julep bar, it's got everything.
It's like the garage that couldn't to the library that could.
Nice.
If you will.
If you will.
Right there?
Yeah, that's it. It's so pretty.
Looks really good.
All right. This is it.
I know.
We're gonna be here any minute.
Oh my goodness.
Man, it looks so good. Oh. Oh my goodness.
I love it.
Oh my gosh.
How's it
this looks
going?
amazing. Oh man.
How you doing?
Oh, this looks awesome. Oh man.
I can't even believe this.
It's gonna be so fun just to be able to sit out here, watch the kids ride the bike.
Talk
you
with our
know.
neighbors.
Yes.
I want to go sit on it right now.
Yes.
Isn't that awesome?
Do you like the color?
I love the colors.
Love it.
But there's
Okay.
more to see inside.
I
Are you guys
can't
ready?
wait.
I mean, do you
can't
even
wait.
want to see?
I'll follow
I don't
you.
know.
Oh my goodness.
All right, go
Okay, you
ahead.
first.
Okay. Oh my
Oh,
goodness.
it doesn't even look like the same house.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, this looks awesome.
Oh, wow. I love it.
Look at that fireplace.
I love the brick and the wood.
And it's just so open.
I know, can you believe it?
Well, the space just looks 1,000 times better. It's just everything we dreamed and more.
Oh, I'm so glad. Well, there's so much more.
Okay.
Go explore.
All right, kitchen, most important place.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. I love this kitchen. I love a white kitchen.
Yes, so classic.
I love that it is so bright and open.
Wow.
Guys,
This
I
looks-
can't wait to bake in here with the kids.
I think those details, those nods of character, it just makes the house.
Yes.
Go check out your dining room too.
Okay.
I love this. This is gonna be perfect for our regular meals, but also it's so much more space for friends.
Yes. And you think about the people you can fit in here.
Oh my gosh.
Man, party time.
Standing where you are, you were literally in your laundry room
Yeah.
before, and there was no vaulted ceiling. There was a wall that came all the way out here with the refrigerator here. Your kitchen ended right here.
Yeah.
Before, and then a peninsula jetting out there.
Yeah.
So it's
so much space.
giant in here now.
Yeah.
It looks so good.
It does.
I just can't believe it's the same house. Floors.
Yes, the floors.
They're not orange.
Wow.
Oh, they look so good.
You can see right down here where your original floor,
Oh,
where
yeah.
we put the new floor in.
Oh, it's seamless. This is the way it should have always been. This is beautiful.
It is.
So you have this door, actually Chase built that, again, inspired by the stable doors.
So you got to go check
Okay.
out behind
Yep.
that door.
Yeah. Oh my,
my
this wasn't the
goodness.
garage. There's no way. Oh man, this looks amazing.
It does.
I love this color.
Isn't it
Yes.
beautiful?
And the reading light.
I know, I still love those. And we built this little mint julep bar. And we have this little desk space too for the kids. And this is a perfect spot for everyone to read, play board games, hang out.
Oh, I love this.
It's
Oh,
so
my-
cozy.
Yes.
Oh man.
This is a bourbon drinking color
Yeah,
right here.
it
Look at him. Look at him. Yeah.
This space is probably going to be one of the most used areas of the house. And before, it was totally unusable. We couldn't even fit a car in the garage.
Exactly.
So now
Yes.
our family can use this space and enjoy it for a long time to come. It's going to be awesome.
I absolutely love it.
Oh, we're so glad.
This feels like a dream that this is actually our home and we get to live here.
Feel like you want me to pinch you?
You love it?
In this home, I see a lot of future memories with our kids.
For this house to be finished, it's about more than just having a nice house. It's about having a house that's finished so that we can expand our family. And it's something that we have dreamt about for years.